Okay, well today we're going to be picking this lock here, which is a 5-pin Euro cylinder, made by Citadel, one of your cheaper cylinders really. I'll try and show you the bitting on the key. Got some fairly sort of high to low cuts there, so I'm going to SPP this one. There we go. I mean, for a cheap lock, it's actually not bad. It's got fairly high tolerances in there on the pins, and there's not a lot of play in that plug at all. It's quite difficult to find the actual binding order on this one because of the tolerances. So it's quite a nice little challenge to pick this one. Anyway, please leave your comments and please rate the video. I will be posting some more videos soon, hopefully with some better quality locks, some more high security locks. But thanks for watching.